Hi, this is the ninth and hopefully second last video in this series. In this video the house is brought to roughly 90% completion. We start in December. We begin with floor tiling and some necessary food preparation. The living room tiles are going down. And here's the finished article. We can see the kitchen unit starting to go in as well. So at this point the tiling is done, the walls have a base coat, a primer, and the bathrooms are tiled, as you can see. So there's two of the bedrooms. Out the back, and this is the master main bedroom with an ensuite, which is a mirror image of the bathroom at the back. We tile the steps. There's a break for Christmas, New Year, and then in January the base coats and top coats are painted on the outside of the house. Then the windows and doors are installed, and an extra veranda at the front for extra shade. That's what those pillars were for. I send the drone into a power cable. No damage to the drone or the cable. Okay, and then we add a concrete pad and a carport, and we just level out the section a little bit. Here it is, mostly complete. The painting's obviously not quite finished yet. And just an aerial view. Back inside again, you can see the kitchen's complete there. The skirting boards are in, and the bathrooms are now fitted out. Still got to do the electrics, of course. You can see the switches are still uncovered. Similarly, the hob just needs a final fittings on it, but it's mostly in place. And here's the view out the window. It's towards the mountains, but you can't see them because the sun's too bright. But you can see them in the other shots. The second bathroom, again, is just a mirror image of the ensuite. And there's the veranda, mostly complete. And a new wall added at the front. And a water pump with secure housing. Stealing water pumps is not common, but it's not unheard of, so they usually end up locked in a cage like that. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.